Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet these beautiful flowers. They are easy and quick to make for beginners. They are made with 8 petals. You can use them as coasters or you can decorate your clothes and so many ideas. Materials list and the crochet abbreviations are in the description box. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think and where are you from. Also activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my tutorials. To begin, I'm starting with a magic ring. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the ring, chain 2, 2 double crochets, this is as the first double crochet. Insert your hook here in the back loop and pull the yarn, then chain 3. 3 double crochets, insert your hook here under the 2 loops and pull the yarn. Then chain 3. Repeat the pattern 3 double crochets, and insert your hook under the 2 loops. Pull the yarn, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and insert your hook under the 2 loops. Pull the yarn, chain 3. I have made 4 times. Repeat another 4 times to be total of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To finish the first round, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the first loop. For round 2, make a slip knot and yarn over. Insert your hook into any space. Make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in each space. 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Two double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Two double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. For total 8 times. Make a slip stitch into the first double crochet here under the 2 loops. For round 3, insert your hook here in this space and make single crochet. Put the marker into the single crochet stitch. Make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same space. Then make 1 single crochet in the next space. Repeat the pattern for more 7 times for total 8 times. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same space. Then make 1 single crochet in the next space. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same space. Then make 1 single crochet in the next space. Remove the marker and make a slip stitch into the single crochet. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow. Thank you.